My name is James Liam with Queens Wireless in Middle Village, New York. I am the owner. For 27 years, we have been servicing car dealers across the country, East Coast and West Coast primarily. The struggle we've had was with the online software we've been using recently, QuickBooks. It just wasn't able to handle the volume that we've been working with. We're currently dealing with Paragon Honda, which is the number one volume Honda dealership in the country, as well as Paragon Acura, and it has pushed QuickBooks to the max, where it was working, but it felt like we were behind the times, didn't have shortcuts that ServiceJan has, and it was just basically taking time away from our schedule, which we didn't already have. It's so easy to use. It's adaptable. The company will change certain things inside there if you needed to tailor your company. The technicians are able to use it from their phones. I'm able to access it anywhere. If I'm on vacation with the family, I just simply slip away with a laptop or a phone, type away, and I can do all my billing, all my invoicing. It is really the best accounting software out there for billing, and there's nothing else like it. I've used whatever we've used NetSuite, we've used QuickBooks for a while, and this is just amazing. It takes it to the next level. It's really designed for the end user to be more productive. They just really get it. I think because the owners of the company are really guys who worked in the field, not just guys in a computer software lab that makes programs. This is definitely the way to go. I definitely give ServiceJan 10 thumbs up.